Yo, my YouTube family, back again with another clip for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. My job is just to bring the clips to you and for you to watch it and react and comment and like and do what you have to do. Yeah, so just do that. I'm gonna put the clip at the end, so you guys should watch it. Do your job. Let's go.
Garage door screen from Harvey Home Comfort. I'll show you how it works. Check it out. Do it with ease. It's got my garage door screen from Harvey Home Comfort. I'll show you how it works. Check it out. Do it with ease. It's got my new garage door.